Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Anti-Fraud for WooCommerce. Set up risk score automation. In this lesson, we will configure anti-fraud for WooCommerce in response to risky orders, automatically or manually. You can take control of fraud protection. Go to WooCommerce, then to Settings, and then to Anti-Fraud. Here, we have the general settings. First, we have set risk thresholds. You can set the boundaries between low, medium, and high risk levels. First, we have medium risk threshold. Here, you can set the threshold between low and medium risk scores. Adjust the slider or enter the value directly. Then we have a high risk threshold. Here you can set the threshold between the medium and high risk scores. Adjust the slider or enter the value directly. Then we have change order status based on risk score. You can update the order status based on fraud by enabling this option. Then, we have a cancel at option. Orders with a score equal to or greater than this value will be automatically canceled. Then we have put order on hold at for the value entered. Orders with a score equal to or greater than this value will be automatically placed on hold. Then we have user role whitelisting. You can enable the whitelisting of users by checking this option. Select the user roles to be whitelist by clicking on this option. Here we have a whitelist emails field that contains the list of whitelist emails. Add emails manually or import them from CSV file. Then we have an email whitelist option. You can enter specific emails here to be whitelist. With these tools, anti-fraud helps reduce risk without slowing down your workflow. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.